Next is we define transpose of a matrix. Important to, no? The transpose of a matrix A is a matrix A raised to T that is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of the original matrix A. And the matrix A can be of any order. So it will not matter kung square siya o hindi, kung column lang siya o diagonal siya o row matrix lang siya. So for example here, A is 1, 3, 2, negative 4, 0, 5. So ano nangyari? Okay, binaliktad to. Tinan mo tong row na to is naging column. Yung row na to is naging column. Yan. So that is called the transpose. Now, gamit tayo ng calculator, ha. Okay. Mag-aral tayong gumamit ng calculator. Punta ka sa mode 6 kung meron kang ES and then 1. Alright. This is how many rows and columns? This is, what's the order of these? 2 rows by 3 columns. Okay. So, yung 2 rows by 3 columns is number 4. Then input 1, 3, 2, negative 4, 0, and 5. Okay. So 1, 3, 2, negative 4, 0, and 5. So, yung calculator mo, kaya hanggang 3 by 3, no? Pwede mo siyang i-transpose. Enter mo, shift, hanapin mo yung matrix, hanapin mo dito kung nasa yung matrix number 4. And then hanapin mo yung transpose, that is number 8. Tapos shift, matrix uli, hanapin mo yung 4. Tapos number 3. So, matrix A. So, yan na siya, na-transpose na siya. 1, negative 4, 3, 0, 2, 5. Okay, let's go to addition. Now, two matrices A and B must be of the same order, m by n. Okay, that means same number of rows and columns. Parang pwede mo siyang i-add. Basically, your C is just the sum of A plus B. Or our formula is Cij is just Aij plus Bij. It means to say that you just have to add corresponding rows o corresponding elements lang. Okay. So let's have an example like this. A and B. Let's add. Gamit na lang tayo ng calculator, ha. Punta ka sa mode 6 ulit. Input mo yung 1 and then ano to, 3 by 3. Input mo na yan. 7, 2, 1, 3, 2, 8, and then 4, 1, and 9. There. So, hindi ka pwedeng mag-mode matrix ulit. Let's review. 7, 2, 1, 3, 2, 9, 4, 1, 9. Ang gawin mo, clear, enter mo, shift, hanapin mo yung matrix number 4, i-dimension mo yung pangalawang matrix, and then define it as number 2, and then 1. Hindi pwedeng mode matrix kasi mabubura yung dati. So, this is 2, negative 1, and then 1, and then what? 3, 3, 2, 4, 7, 1, and 8. Okay, so PC, check natin. Shift 4, okay, number 3 is 7, 2, 1, 3, 2, 8, 4, 1, 9. Okay, then shift number 4 ulit. Tapos yung matrix B, that is 2, negative 1, 3, 2, 4, and 7, 1, 8. Tama siya. So, okay. Dito sa definition ng A plus B, ibig sabihin, i-add lang natin yan. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus minus 1, 1. So, verify na lang natin ang calculator. Shift 4, 3, plus shift 4. Hanapin mo yung number 4. Add. So, look. 7 plus 2, diba 9 yun. 2 plus minus 1, diba 1. And so on. Okay, so ang pwede mo lang i-add pareho ng order. Pag hindi siya pareho ng order, ano siya, undefined siya. Now, yung addition naman, edi subtract mo lang. Okay, shift 4, 3, minus shift 4, 4. Subtract mo lang. Yan, 7 minus 2, 5. 2 minus minus 1 is 3. 1 minus minus 1 is 0. That's addition. Rather, subtraction. Okay. Now, pag scalar multiplication naman, okay, ito yung scalar multiplication. C equals KA. K is a scalar. Ibig sabihin, parang constants lang yan. 1, 2, 3. Anong nangyari? Minultiply lang yung buong element by what? By the scalar. So, let's go back to this one. 3A kaya. 3A. So, ibig sabihin, yung 3A, multiply mo lang lahat yan. 3 times 7, 3 times 2, 3 times 1, and so on. So, just put 3, shift 4, and then 3. Yan. So, what did you observe? Ito, naging 21. 6, naging 3, naging 9, naging 6, naging 24, and so on. So, ito pwede rin to 3A plus 4B. 3A plus 4B. Ibig sabihin, minultiply mo yung matrix A by 3 and then matrix B by 4. Scalar. Nag-scalar multiplication ka muna, saka, and then addition. So, it's simply what? 3 shift 4, that is what? Matrix A plus 4 shift 4, 4 matrix B. Alright, you get 29. Let's verify. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 4 times 2 is 8. 21 plus 8 should be 29. That's a verification.